The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires the use of no oxide paste for aluminum conductors entering enclosures. This requirement is found in NEC section 110.14d. It specifies that termination points for aluminum conductors must use an approved oxide-inhibiting compound. No oxide paste serves as this approved compound. The application of no oxide paste is critical for ensuring a reliable and safe electrical connection. The paste should be applied to the threads of the aluminum conductor, the terminal, and all surfaces where the conductor and terminal make contact. This creates a barrier against oxidation, preventing the formation of aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide is a poor conductor of electricity, and its formation can lead to several problems. Firstly, increased resistance at the connection point. Secondly, overheating due to the increased resistance. Thirdly, potential for electrical failures and fire hazards. Aluminum conductors oxidize rapidly when exposed to air. This oxidation process creates a layer of aluminum oxide on the surface of the conductor. Aluminum oxide is non-conductive, and it significantly increases the resistance of the electrical connection. High resistance leads to heat generation, which can further accelerate the oxidation process. The use of no oxide paste mitigates these issues by preventing the formation of aluminum oxide. The paste creates an airtight seal that protects the aluminum conductor from exposure to air. Without this protection, the aluminum will quickly oxidize, leading to a compromised electrical connection. An aluminum conductor of size 4/0 is equivalent to 250 kc aluminum wire. Remember that the NEC mandates the use of an oxide-inhibiting compound for all aluminum conductors.